Welcome to video number 6. This time we're taking a look at the powerful S15 class 460. The London South Western S15 class was a two-cylinder 460 freight steam locomotive designed by Robert Urie, based on his H15 and N15 King Arthur class locomotives. But the S15's train is not fully made up yet. The South Eastern Railway serving Kent had no 060 shunting locomotives, and so in 1887 it was decided to introduce a class of 060 tank loco, specifically designed for shunting and hauling local goods. The R-class locomotives were designed by James Stirling, and as new a class of 25 were built at Ashford Works between 1888 and 1898. Between 1910 and 1922, 13 of these locos were rebuilt by Wainwright. These rebuilds were classified R1. Here we have a Wren R1 from Dad's collection, helping to make up the S15's train. This locomotive in Southern Green, running number 1127, was produced by Wren between 1974 and 1989. Now let's get back on with the S15. The class had a complex build history spanning several years of construction from 1920 to 1936. Following the grouping of the railway companies in 1923, the London South Western became part of the Southern Railway, and the chief mechanical engineer of the newly formed company, Richard Maunsell, increased the S15 class to 45 locomotives. Maunsell also incorporated several improvements. The new locomotives were built in 3 batches at Eastleigh. The locomotives continued in operation with the southern region of British Railways until 1966. 7 examples have been preserved for use on heritage railways. In fact, I recently saw number 847 in service at the Bluebell Railway in Sussex. These locomotives were given the nickname Goods Arthurs due to their similar appearance to the N15 class. The first batch was built by Urie between 1920 and 21, the second batch by Maunsell in 1927 to 28, and the third batch by Maunsell from 1936. The model, a modified DJH kit and numbered 838, is from this third batch of locos. After modification by Maunsell, the S15 class was regarded by locomotive crews as an excellent goods engine, best known for working heavy night express goods trains between Exeter, Southampton and Nine Elms. The S15 were also very capable as a passenger engine. Thanks goes to Cressy Publishing for allowing me to use some of the pictures from this marvellous book.